Both the Audi RS and R series benefit from the brand's commitment to cutting-edge technology, offering a suite of advanced features designed to enhance both performance and convenience. From the innovative virtual cockpit to a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems, these cars are packed with technology that elevates the driving experience. One of the standout features is Audi's virtual cockpit, a fully digital instrument cluster that replaces traditional analog gauges with a high-resolution display. This customizable display allows drivers to configure the information presented to their liking, putting vital performance data, navigation instructions, and entertainment options within easy view. The virtual cockpit not only enhances the driving experience but also gives the interior a futuristic and high-tech feel. In addition to the virtual cockpit, both the RS and R series offer an array of driver assistance systems designed to enhance safety and convenience. These systems include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, all working in harmony to provide a reassuring and stress-free driving experience.